Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, December 22nd. Today you are going to be looking at some research rules and tips before you start researching after we get back from break. So as you go through this Pear Deck activity, it's going to be really important to pay attention to the videos and the activities that are in it so that you know exactly what you need to do when it comes time to start researching. As you watch the videos in the Pear Deck video, please make sure that you're taking notes. They'll be really helpful when you start your research. So to do this, you're going to click on this and it'll launch this and you just answer. And then you guys have done Pear Deck before, so it'll take you through all of the things that you need to do. On this one, there's audio included, so make sure that you listen to the audio. And then there are some videos on here and places where you need to answer things. I can see all of your answers as you're going. This might take you, I have today and tomorrow scheduled for this because there are lots of videos and lots of things for you to do in this whole thing. So make sure that you take your time with it. Make sure that you're paying attention to all the information that you're being given because we are going to put all that information to use after you get back from break and we start researching. If you haven't picked your person yet or picked your book yet for research, please make sure you do that. There's a form on yesterday's agenda slides so that you can fill out the form and let me know who or which book you are researching. So please make sure you do that if you didn't do that yesterday. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.